I'll give her a go. I'm gonna get it sooner or later. First. Nah.
I heard you bogging down.
It started lifting the front a little bit too. Yeah, Joe. Ish. Whitetail, what's up? More of them. Come here. Come here, dude. That was this redneck thing I've said all day. Where you at? Nope. I think I might have lost the pack. It's okay. Oh, there's some. Oh, that's Storm. Yeah. Fucking send it. Yeah, I know. It's like, it's Wave Runner grips. Fucking send it. That's I'm getting it. Oh, that was dirty. Not in a good way. Come on, Bessie. Oh, thanks, guys. Hell yeah. I ain't gonna say no to that, that's for sure.
I'm riding the fuck out of that thing today.
Hell yeah. I'm curious.
All up, right?
Yeah, neutral on the bottom. You gotta start it neutral with the clutch out.
That's sticking at it.
Yeah, it's a little sticky. Just remember to close it if you have to.
If I get the tall seat, I'll be alright.
Yeah, it's not bad. With the suspension done, it's definitely doable.
You got a clutch?
Yeah, it's just real touchy. God, this thing is a fucking machine. Makes light work of this shit. God, buddy, you got a fucking beast here. This thing is fun as fuck. All the levers are in the right spots. Must ride like me. Let's hop into third, see what happens. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Without question. You want it back? You sure?
Rip it up, son.
Hell yeah, dude, this thing is fucking awesome, man. It's a luxury machine. Woo. Yeah, that one that's like straight to a flat hard hook. I like killed the engine and was just sliding into it the whole time.
No engine braking. It'd be nice to be able to turn engine braking on.
Yeah, oh yeah. It's like a 4-stroke just without the engine braking, dude. It pulls the third gear off the bottom, just right into it. And if you just blip the clutch real quick, you're just instantly into the power.
Buddy's ready for a KLX though. Now don't get spoiled on that one.
Here you were talking about how all the KLX wasn't nothing to ride.
What all you got done to this thing?
143 kit, BBR springs up front, Fox shock in the rear,
It's got a 4 kit in it.
26 mil carb, yeah. The Pro Taper bars are the first thing I'd put on it, honestly.
Get one that's got the shit done to it.
Yeah.
Do they all come with clutches?
No, it's got a clutch conversion kit, 4th gear drum.
So the stock ones are just automatic?
Yeah, they usually only have 3 gears in them too.
I mean, I've found a bunch of them that have shit done to them.
If you can get a one that's fully built up for like $1,100 probably.
Look out for me one.
I will.
It's a mutiny. You're right.
Yeah, that's ours, is douche
Something
elite.
Like, some are born regular, some are born with skills, elite skills.
Some are born handicapped, but some are born elite.
Some are born handicapped.
We steer more towards the handicap side of things, but don't tell anybody.
Well, we were doing pretty good. I was glad I adjusted my shifter up a little last night because that thing would have been hard without that.
Oh yeah.
Don't tell John Miller.
But they're just he's part of Date
Still
Elite,
mad about
the new dating app.
Date elite. Elite singles in your area. Oh yeah, we got to get them lined up right, guys. That was a terrible photo. I didn't even get a filter on it. You want to swap, buddy, or are you still happy with the... All right, let's do it. I'm spoiled on this thing now. Need some help? Hey, check this out. These brakes are so touchy. Too much quality on this thing, buddy. Jesus, I'm used to clap traps. Far too much quality. Send it. Fucking send it. Oh god. That was a send. Jesus. That's gonna be good footage. Retarded footage. I see ya. Woo! Get it, buddy. Where's JP? That's a victory. And I was recording. Yeah, I'm good. I did not see that coming. I turned it on, I was like, I gotta catch those motherfuckers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that one was pretty good right there. I hit it sideways like a dumbass. Alright, go. throttle stuck. That was aggressive. Woo! That was aggressive. I'm gonna have some footage today. Thanks, Dad. You always unstuck me from the best, worst situations.
Hammering on that one. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
I know that one didn't feel good. Judging by where the bike ended up.
Right?
I mean, what's the crease today?
No, not at all.
My luck from last week.
I think I might have. It did a good job. Whew.
Take a minute.
You can go ahead. Y'all can go ahead if you want. No broken fingers. I'm good. That's why I like wearing all this shit. Yeah. A little sore right here, but just tucked away in the hole. I was trying to turn it on for y'all a little bit. I didn't want to hold everybody up. Let's turn it on again. Come on, Betsy.